Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Today's topic is on anxiety. Anxiety has been increasing, especially amongst young people. So, what is anxiety? Anxiety is a feeling of worry, nervousness, or unease, which usually occurs during an event or something with an uncertain outcome. The types of anxiety include generalized anxiety, which affects 3% of the population, obsessive compulsive disorder, which occurs when excessive thoughts lead to repetitive behaviors, social anxiety disorder, which occurs when an individual is in intense fear of social or performance situations, panic disorders, phobias or intense fears, post-traumatic stress disorders, which describes difficulty recovering after experiencing or witnessing a terrible event. Anxiety is also related to depression. So, anxiety attack. Anxiety attack is also called a panic attack. And during an anxiety attack, you may experience heart palpitations, dizziness, trembliness, and short of breath. These attacks may have clear triggers, or they also may seem to come out of nowhere. And during a few minutes, they could reach their peak. Symptoms. Anxiety symptoms are linked to the body's fight or flight responses, which describes a physiological reaction in responses to a perceived attack or threat. Anxiety symptoms include persistent worrying, muscle tension, heart palpitation, racing heartbeat, high blood pressure, trouble sleeping, digestive problems, irritability, depression, mood swings, difficulty concentrating, sweating, inability to socialize, and also trouble sleeping and insomnia. Oftentimes, anxiety occurs when physical and mental disorders, which include eating disorders, migraines, digestive issues like bowel syndrome, irritable bowel syndrome, substance abuse, sleeping disorder, ADHD, chronic pain, and fibromyalgia. The causes of anxiety. Causes of anxiety also include stressing due to poor or challenging life circumstances, traumatic life experiences, genetics, family history, dysfunctional serotonin production, drug use, high caffeine or sugar intake, hormone fluctuations, and dysfunction and excessive alcohol intake. So, a statistic includes how teens and children anxiety disorders affect between 8 and 25% of them between the ages of 13 and 18. So this can contribute to problems in school and also difficulty socializing, as well as increased risk for substance abuse. So some of the treatments include serotonin, norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, also known as SNRIs, and these are used to treat anxiety, depression, panic disorders, fibromyalgia, and also back pains. Another one is selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, and these are used to correct low serotonin levels in the brain, and they're also used to treat anxiety disorders and depression. Other natural remedies for anxiety include eating a well-balanced diet and also a clean, balanced diet, and by eating anti-inflammatory food, which include organic chicken, eggs, yogurt, leafy greens, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, grass-fed beef, helps improve anxiety symptoms. And so it's essential that we also add food that is rich in magnesium and also vitamin B foods, and also foods high in calcium into our diets. Another one is avoiding sugary and processed foods. By avoiding these foods, we will be able to maintain a normal blood sugar level, as research shows that consuming foods with high glycemia index can contribute to anxiety and depression. So it's important to basically stay away from foods that include refined foods such as baked goods. And also it's important to limit caffeine and alcohol. So too much caffeine and alcohol can increase anxiety symptoms like moodiness, nervousness, and also the jitters. Others include magnesium. Magnesium plays an important role in the body, and magnesium deficiency is one of the leading deficiencies in adults. So if you're struggling with anxiety, you may want to add magnesium into your diet. Also, you could take magnesium supplements to help relax your muscles and calm the nervous system. Vitamin B complex. B vitamin helps to combat stress and stabilize your mood. Vitamin B6 in particular serves as a natural remedy for anxiety because it works to boost mood, balance blood sugar levels, and also maintain a healthy nervous system. Lavender oils has been shown to reduce anxiety and help relax the body. By meditating, you could also reduce anxiety. Finding support, such as support from your family and friends, community, and also professional therapists, can be extremely helpful for your anxiety. So by having cognitive behavioral therapy with a therapist, it will help reduce anxiety symptoms. And physical activity also helps to improve sleep quality, reduces inflammation, boosts confidence, improves energy levels, and also ease stress and tension. By getting enough rest, you also can amplify anticipatory anxiety by stimulating the regions of your brain that are associated with emotional processing. So by getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep, you'll be able to gain these benefits for your anxiety. Also, to conclude this, anxiety disorder symptoms are on the rise, as I've mentioned before, especially with teens. The most common symptoms of anxiety include both physical symptoms such as racing heart, trouble sleeping, and emotional symptoms include trouble socializing, mood swings, and depression. Also panic attacks, which can affect people in many different ways. And symptoms of anxiety attacks can include trembling, trouble breathing, and feelings of impending doom. So what causes anxiety? Some of the common causes seem to indicate the difficulties in the circumstance of life, history of trauma, abuse, substance abuse, family history or genetics. And just to conclude, treatment options include medications and also therapy, CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, and relaxation techniques like meditating, regular exercise, dietary changes, and uses of supplements. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving us this chance to come and do this health talk. Please let everyone gain something from this. Please name I pray. Amen.